Hello techies, this is CompTIA TestOut Lab 5.5.12 and we want to format drives. So in this lab, you are the IT administrator for a corporate network. Your name is Michael Ray. You just received an email from Summer Loveless. The email was to notify you that she had created a help desk ticket using the company's help desk system named Issue Tracks, and that she hoped someone could help her straight away. You are currently on the computer name IT admin. In this lab, your task is to using the issue tracks, open the ticket assigned to you, resolve the issue using the information found in the open ticket, add a comment to the ticket indicating that it has been resolved, then close the ticket. Okay, so that is all for this lab. So let's go ahead and start up. So the first thing we want to do is to open issue tracks, and in issue tracks we already have let's see, I just purchased a new USB flash which is at my desk. I need help installing and formatting the drive using FAT32. I also need you to change the format of my existing D drive from FAT32 to NTFS. However, I don't have a backup of this drive, so you need to make sure I don't lose any data. Also, while you are changing the drive, okay, let's see, I'm in office now and my computer is office 1. Where is your computer located? Okay, so I think we have enough details to continue. So we'll close issue tracks and we'll go to floor 1. In floor 1, we want to go to office 1 hardware. So this takes us to the computer, and let us start up right away. So we go to the storage and then we take the flash. Let's plug it into the USB port here. And let's go into the desktop. Okay, while inside the desktop, we want to go into Open File Explorer, and from File Explorer we'll go to this PC. Let's scroll down, then flash drive. This is the drive. So what we want to do is to format this particular drive, and this is G drive. So we right click on it and let's go to format. So we want to format it to FAT32. Okay, it is already selected by default. Okay, so we just go ahead and start. And just click OK, and we'll wait for some time. Okay, it's complete. Click OK, and let's go ahead and close this. So we have the D drive. We go over to the D drive, and for the D drive, what we want to do is to change it to NTFS. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's close this. And for this, we want to let's go to the Windows terminal. Yeah, Windows terminal as admin would do it. So we want to convert space D drive space /fs colon ntfs. Go ahead and type enter. So go ahead and type data, press enter. Go ahead and close this. Go ahead and open File Explorer again, and let's go to Documents. Let's see, using issue tracks, open a ticket assigned to you, resolve the. Okay, so let's go to this PC. We scroll down and let's go to D drive. While in D drive, let's close this. Let's close this for now. I think the right thing to do will be to let's search for issue tracks. So we open issue tracks. So we need to check the tags again to be sure that we didn't miss any of the tags, any of the instruction given to us there. So I don't have a backup of this drive, so you need to make sure I don't lose any data. Also, while you're changing the drive to NTFS, please use a new volume name of data. Okay. Data. Okay. So I guess add a comment to the ticket indicating that it has been resolved. Close the ticket. Okay, so what we want to do is add a comment to let the person know, the staff know, that the job has been done. So type in drives. So for this comment area, it doesn't have to be what I type here. You can use any comment of your choice with any sentence you like. So drives are finished. You go ahead and add this, and we close this ticket, and let's close this. So we'll go ahead and check our answers, and everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe, and don't forget to join my professional membership. You can also reach me through my email. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.